Dima from Clever School, and I'll be talking about a topic called coronavirus. A coronavirus is a group of virus, or you could say family of coronavirus, and it's very dangerous. But the reason why we should do something safe is so we cannot get close to the coronavirus or get coronavirus. So we should wear our mask, or maybe wash our hands at home, or bring our hand sanitizer, and you should stay 6 feet apart from the people. So if you stay really close to people who cough, sneeze, or faint, or maybe more, you have to wear your mask and wash your hands at home, and wash your face, because there are going to be coronavirus next to your mouth or maybe next to your nose, and it's very dangerous. So we should all be safe and stay like not so far, not so close. So it's like 6 feet apart.
Hello everybody, I hope you guys are all healthy and safe. My name is Ala Reda from Clever Private School, and today I'm going to be talking about the COVID-19. Corona is a virus that's so small we cannot see it by our eyes, but we can only see it by a microscope. Coronavirus is a virus spreading all around the world. We shouldn't go outside, but if it's really important, then we can go, but we still have to wear our masks, because the mask will protect us. It will cover our mouth, because maybe someone right next to us has corona and then they will sneeze, then we're gonna get the corona too. And we still have to stay 6 feet apart to them. If we are outside and our hands are dirty, we should use a hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer, it's really clean, like soap and water. It can clean your hands, and this virus is killing people and even sending them to the hospital. It has killed about 5 million people so far. COVID-19 began in a city called Wuhan in China in December. Coronaviruses are a family of different viruses. COVID-19 is made from animals, for example, bats, camels, pigs, and cattle. If we feel sick, then we have to go and get a test to see if we have corona. We shouldn't shake hands or hug people. We should take care of ourselves, because we could be sick and get flus, coughs, sneezes, and headaches. If we are outside and we come back to home, then we have to wash our hands. And the doctors found a cure that will make coronavirus go away, and this cure is a needle. The best way we can limit the transmission is for people to get the vaccine.